Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review. Watch before using. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is a robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want automated, low-cost portfolio management with no advisory fees. It offers a diversified portfolio of ETFs, automatic rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting for accounts over $50,000. Unlike some competitors, Schwab requires a $5,000 minimum investment and holds a portion of your portfolio in cash, which can impact returns. It's best for investors looking for a trusted name in finance, broad diversification, and no direct management fees, but not ideal for those who prefer more customization or dislike cash drag. The platform selects ETFs across multiple asset classes, including U.S. and international equities, bonds, and real assets, ensuring diversification. However, the mandatory cash allocation, typically 6 to 30%, is a major drawback for growth-focused investors, as it earns a lower yield than market investments. Schwab claims this enhances liquidity and stability, but in reality, it benefits Schwab's banking operations more than investors. Performance is solid, but returns may lag due to the cash component. A key advantage is the lack of advisory fees, making it cost-effective compared to robo-advisors that charge 0.25% or more. However, the underlying ETFs have expense ratios, usually ranging from 0.3% to 0.25%. The premium version, Intelligent Portfolios Premium, adds unlimited financial planning for a one-time $300 setup fee and a $30 monthly charge, which may not be worth it for passive investors. Schwab's platform is highly secure, offers a user-friendly interface, and integrates well with Schwab brokerage accounts. The mobile app is intuitive and customer support is solid, but it lacks direct access to human advisors unless you pay for premium. Compared to Betterment or Wealthfront, Schwab's advantage is the zero advisory fee, but it falls short on tax optimization and customization. If you value cost savings and trust Schwab's brand, this is a solid choice. However, if maximizing returns and flexibility matter more, alternatives like Wealthfront might be better. Bottom line, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is great for passive investors who want a reputable, hands-off robo-advisor with no fees, but isn't ideal for those who prioritize customization or maximizing growth. If you can tolerate the cash allocation, it's a good option. Otherwise, consider other robo-advisors with more flexibility.